April 1st, 10:30. Believe it or not, pulling up anchor.
Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm not listening. So blame it on my
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, anchor up. Good. So our anchor is up. Let's get in gear. Goodbye Mission Beach. Goodbye San Diego. Goodbye California.
Goodbye America.
Goodbye USA. Goodbye cold water. Goodbye US dollar.
Hello pesos.
And yeah, goodbye to all the friends we made here. That's kind of sad. Hey, I'm recording here, okay? Thank you. Yeah, goodbye to all the friends we made here.
Nice time.
We appreciated your presence a lot, and I hope we catch up somewhere else. Maybe we share an anchorage. Quite a lot of you plan to go cruising, and I'm pretty sure I told you that before. Just go. Okay. Aloha. We'll miss you guys. That feels so good to finally hoist sails again. Bring me to the horizon. Never take me back. So we're on the water for a couple of hours now. The wind is just pretty much not existing. And you can see in the background, there's still San Diego. We are still around 9 miles away from our first just drive-by destination, which is Isla Coronados. They're over there. So I think we will get the record for the longest passage to Ensenada. We refuse to start the engine. I mean, we're not in a hurry, but keep it easy, slow. It's der Rausch der Langsamkeit. The last days in San Diego were filled with farewells, parties, meeting up with friends, and running some late errands. One of the good friends we made here is Matt from Sailing with Vampires. Thank you so much, Matt, for your awesome friendship. And hey, check out his YouTube channel and send him some love. He so much deserves it.
You know, don't leave tomorrow, man. I bring my kids over and let you guys. I want to see you guys play guitar. Let them see.
Rock, dude. Better than Pink Floyd. Better than Pink Floyd. I got a head.
It's a mutiny. They put the captain in a boat.
Captain Bly!
Captain Bly.
Great.
Bon voyage! See you later! I sold Beast, and because of that, we tried to use electric scooter for transportation. It was fun, but we were surprised how expensive they are. And hey, we had our first meet and greet with you guys. No, it's this one. This one is taken already. Oh, thanks for coming. You're happy you wanted to come aboard, check it out. We can talk story. Maybe a little later we go up to the bar. So, permission granted. Welcome aboard. Be careful with the Untying my mooring lines after 15 months of use was a very special moment. So, we just left the mooring. This time, not coming back. Hopefully. We're not leaving today, but we're leaving for Mission Bay. We want to stay there for one night. It's a couple miles north of San Diego Bay. Chill, have a barbecue with my brother and his wife, and then get the final things done tomorrow and leave on Saturday or Sunday depending on the weather. That's the plan. The mooring is getting smaller and smaller behind us, so here we are, cruising again for the last time, passing Shelter Island. That feels great. We finally made it to Ensenada. It just took us 3 days. Tacking with light winds, all sails up, using all our knowledge we gathered. But we did arrive. Viva la Mexico. Let the cruising begin. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button to help me grow this channel and give me the confidence to keep on doing it. And please leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. No, don't tell me what you don't like, just tell me what you like. And I'm kidding, but yeah, please check out Facebook, check out Instagram, and sailingzero.com, the website. All this I'm just doing for you, so you gotta use it. And thank you very much to everybody who's supporting this project already on Patreon or on direct donation. And yeah, check out patreon.com/syZERO. They're brand new rewards, everything is upgraded. So check it out, please, and thank you very much. Aloha and out. my boat. It's just me